Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be working on this little pit bike that I have back here. Last time I showed you the motorcycle on the channel, we actually popped the tire and also broke some spokes. So we're gonna be replacing that and we should be good to go to ride it again and hopefully not break any more spokes. So let me show you. I have this little motorcycle here. It's in a Polo 125. You can find them on Amazon. They're actually pretty decent in size. I'm 6 feet tall and I feel comfortable on it, and yeah, not bad. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me see where I can find one. So this one I already replaced here, but I'm missing one here. Oh, and look at this one over here. It's wrapped it around. Oh my god, that's horrible. So that's why we have to replace that. We're gonna take the wheel off first, just to make it a little bit easier to do all that. And yeah, let's assess the damage once it's off and change out the tube and fix the spokes, because that is not good. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. To remove the tire, you have to take off this bolt here. On this side, it is a 19, which is what I have on the ratchet here. And then on this side, it is a 17. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And then also, might have to loosen up the chain adjustment just to be able to take it off the chain, but we'll see once we get there. All right, so that actually came out. I did not have to adjust that. They came off with the screw on this side and then the nut on that side. So just make sure you remember what spacer goes where. Anyways, look at this thing. I can't believe that happened. So I'm gonna have to replace that for sure. I bought, I don't know how many piece a pack off of eBay, so it came with all of them. So let's go ahead and find right here that's missing. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in there, and that goes in through the other side, I believe. Yep, right here it's missing. So we're going to go ahead and put that in and screw it in from the inside. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's easy if you step on it. And there's like this little rubber kind of strap that goes around the screws, these screws. So make sure you go underneath that rubber and it'll pop right through. And I'll show you guys right now. All right, so this is the pack that I bought, and it comes with the spoke with the little nut as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. I have already replaced one of them, and then afterwards we'll have to tighten all of them, just because I'm sure some are loose. Okay, so there, I got it in. I kind of used this to guide it through the hole. Now we're gonna slide this in through where it's missing. All right, so I'm just gonna keep twisting it so it gets tight by hand. All right, that's it. Now, the next thing you're gonna need is one of these tools so you can actually tighten the spoke. And I know you're supposed to true them out and have it on the stand, but for me, this is just a little toy, little pit bike. It don't really matter. You kind of see it here, just twist around and it tightens it as you're twisting it. And it slides right onto the little nipple itself. Okay, so now we got all the spokes tightened up. I tried to tighten them up as best as I could. So I did the left side first on this side, turned it around, did the left side on this side, then right side and right side, just to keep it kind of even. I don't expect it to be perfect, but it should work. The next step now is to remove you have to take off the nut from the valve stem first to be able to push it out. So now we're gonna change it out. I'm not gonna take off the tire, just take it out through here, through the side. So to remove the tube, you do have to take off at least one side of the tire, and I use those tools. I'll link some down below in the description, but I went to my buddy George's shop, and he's the one who let me borrow the tools. I used some soapy water to make it easier, and then I used this tube here. I got it from a local shop, so it was only like 12 bucks, not bad. And yeah, I put it in. So since I couldn't do the tire here, I did have to go to Gooner's shop and use his tools to take them off. And you could also pick them up like at Harbor Freight or something like that. If you're gonna do it, I suggest being careful. I did bend the rim right here a little bit. I don't know if these right here are from riding or from the tool itself, but I know for sure this one is and this one. So if you're gonna use that, be careful, take your time, and don't force it like I did. Now it's time to put it back on the bike and get it ready to ride. And to put it back on the bike, just make sure that the caliper right here, it's in where it should be. And then make sure you get the disc brake right in between the brake pads. All right, so I was able to get the wheel back on by myself. I didn't need any help. Now I just got to tighten it up and we'll take it out for a spin. All right, there it is. So we're gonna do a cold start. It's been like a month since I started it. Where's the exhaust? Down here. Right here. See, it's cold. Oh, I have the kill switch on. There we go, first kit. So I accidentally had the kill switch on, that's why I wasn't turning over, but there it is. Cold start, baby. It needs a carburetor adjusted for sure. It only runs on choke.